Hello everyone. In this video let we see the function of human brain. The brain is a complex organ that plays a vital role in many of the body's functions. It is the center of the nervous system and is responsible for processing information received from the senses, controlling movement, regulating bodily functions, and facilitating communication between different parts of the body. Some of the key functions of the brain include 1. Sensory processing. The brain receives information from the senses and processes it to create a meaningful perception of the world around us. 2. Motor control. The brain controls movement by sending signals to muscles and coordinating their activity. 3. Memory and learning. The brain is responsible for encoding, storing, and retrieving memories. It also plays a critical role in learning and the acquisition of new skills. 4. Emotion and behavior. The brain regulates emotional responses and is involved in the control of behavior. 5. Homeostasis. The brain helps maintain the body's internal balance by regulating functions such as heart rate, breathing, and temperature. 6. Communication. The brain facilitates communication between different parts of the body, allowing them to work together in a coordinated way. Overall, the brain is a complex and multifaceted organ that is critical to our survival and well-being.